Good morning. Today is Thursday, April 30th. We're going to be doing our word work. Okay, rhyming first. I'll say it, you repeat it. Give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't. That sat. Yep, that sat rhyme. Good job. For farm. We're going to try this out one. Or arm. They begin the same with f, but they have different endings. Or arm. So they do not rhyme. Thumbs down. Black back. Yep, they end the same. Yes, me. Nope, they do not rhyme. 1 ton. I hope you gave me a thumbs up. Good job if you did. Onset fluency means the beginning sound. I'm going to say the words first that have the same beginning sound and the beginning sound, and you repeat. Soap size S. Van very V. Pig pile P. Zoo zap Z. Fork food F. Okay, great job. We're going to blend our syllables together next. Stocking, stocking. Chimney, chimney. Your turn. Reindeer, reindeer. Present, present. Happen, happen. Great job. Okay, isolating the medial or middle sound. I'll go first. You repeat after me. K, an, a. Your turn. H, n, e. S, it, I. Rock, ah. Ugh, Okay, good job. Get your choppers out. Cheetah, cheetah. Rhino, rhino. Zebra, zebra. Hippo, hippo. Monkey, monkey. Your turn. Good job. Okay, today we're going to start with the word blind. We're going to add ly at the end to make blindly. Bold. Add ly at the end to make boldly. Cost. Add ly at the end to make costly. Glad. Add ly at the end to make gladly. Quick. Add ly at the end to make quickly. Great job. Now we're going to take a syllable away. We have the word snowing. Take away ing. What's left? Snow. We have the word skating. Take away ing. What's left? Skate. We have the word sledding. Take away ing. What's left? Sled. We have the word fishing takeaway. Ing, what's left? Fish. We have the word freezing takeaway. Ing, what's left? Freeze. Good job. And remember, we're doing Baa Baa Black Sheep for our nursery rhyme. I'll say a line and you repeat after me. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. Baa Baa Black Sheep. And we'll learn the last line tomorrow. Great job. I'll see you then.